In today's video, let me show you how to fix buffering issue in Jio Hotstar. Whether you're watching a movie or a live match, if the video starts to buffer inside of Jio Hotstar, let me show you the way that you can fix it. Now, the first thing that you need to make sure is that before we do any kinds of steps, is make sure that your internet connection is stable. Unless your internet connection is stable, you won't be able to watch any sort of videos without having the buffering issue. If your internet connection is stable, the first step that you can try out to solve this issue is clear the cache of the app. Tap and hold the application and then head over to this eye icon. From the settings inside of your phone, you'll see the option called Clear Data on the bottom right. Just tap on the Clear Cache option. This way it's going to remove all of the unwanted cache which may be piled up. Now once you complete this step, try to see if the buffering issue is solved. If it is still not solved, you can come back to this screen, tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear All Data. This way it's going to log you out of your account and is also going to clear out any of the downloaded movies that you may have. Once you do this step, try to see if the buffering issue is now fixed. If it is still not fixed, the last thing that you can try out, so just uninstall the application of Jio Hotstar from your phone and then again head over to the Play Store and then download it. This simple method ensures that you have the latest version which have fixes to all of the bugs. Following these few steps, you'll be able to fix the buffering issue inside of Jio Hotstar. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.